Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about how to connect your MT4 or MT5 wallet on TradingView. So as you can see, this is the official website of TradingView, and can we attach MT4 or MT5 accounts on our TradingView account? So the first thing is just go to this section, and from here you will be able to see an option called the trading panel. So open trading panel, and once you're here you can see connect through our trusted brokers. So on this section, they provide all of the trusted brokers, and let me just refresh it. And after that, you can see the list of connected trusted brokers they provide. So paper trading, Pepperstone, OKX, Bybit, and IC Markets, and there are many others, Binance as well. So just click on all brokers, and from here you will be able to see all brokers list, all of them which they allow. But unfortunately the MT4 or MT5 are not available here on this TradingView, so you cannot attach those accounts or wallets, and you can try other brokers. Let's say I want to choose Binance, so just click on Binance and you will be able to connect. You can just fill out the details and you'll be able to do it. But if you want to connect MT4 or MT5, so they do not provide any kind of connection till now, but in future they might be able to connect through the trusted brokers of MT4 and MT5 as well. So right now you cannot do it, so do not try or waste your time finding the method. You will not be able to do it, and that is a simple answer.